Hello friends, welcome here to another episode of Nifty Analysis. This is Vishal Beda from Recon Academy. In my previous video, I had clearly mentioned that if Nifty is able to sustain the levels of 10,953, 958, then we could test 11,100 levels. Now the question was, will market be able to go and surpass the levels of 11,235 or 11,375? That time I clearly mentioned that it is not going to be very easy for the markets, as 11,100 levels are going to be extremely crucial resistance levels due to the previous low. As we remember, in the daily chart of Nifty Spot, you can see over here in the previous low of 14, which was created somewhere around 14 May, this particular level was supposed to create a very strong resistance for the market. And we can see market has not been able to close above that particular level. Now, along with that, we have one another extremely strong resistance at that level. We can see this particular trend line is holding since early 2016 in the weekly chart. And as technical trader, even you would know that a resistance in the weekly chart is much stronger even than a daily chart. So now it is even getting more clearer that it will not be easy for the markets to surpass 11,100 levels. If at all market are able, if Nifty is able to close above 11,140 for at least 2 days, we could see higher levels of 11,235 and 11,350 or 375. But as of now, the chances seems to be very minimalistic, as even today, when Reliance has rallied pretty much nicely, market has not been able to sustain because of the selling in few other large cap stocks. Now, as we can see, the day previous to today, the candle was a shooting star, and today is a bearish bell toll, which is not a good sign. Yet the market has not closed, obviously. But if markets are able to close below 10,940 or 10,930, and they're able to sustain below that at least for a day, there is a probability that market would test yet once again possibly 10,782, which was the previous low, and might be even go down further lower. So be careful of your trading positions, and volatility might continue on the high side. Trade well, and in my next video, I'll try to share even something more interesting. Thank you.